Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com. In this episode, we're talking about how to finalize old cases. I've talked about this in the past, but this one was a little bit interesting. So, generally speaking, you only have 5 years to finalize a case before the courts will dismiss your case, but thankfully they're disorganized and they generally do not do that. For that reason, I've handled cases up to 30 years old, which can be very interesting. The case I just picked up is a case from 1993, which was filed late 1993, and then the Northridge earthquake occurred in 94, and the building was apparently damaged, and they moved files and documents. And apparently on this case, this client has had difficulty getting copies, and the best the court can tell them is that they were lost or destroyed in the earthquake, and that's why they cannot produce copies. So she's hired us to finalize the case. It still is active. Again, it's a 93 case. So what I'm first going to do is trying to obtain copies and see what the court says, if they're unable to locate or what have you. And if that happens, which I don't know how many folks this happened to, but I'm sure there's other files that were lost or destroyed in the earthquake, is I'm basically going to amend the petition, refile on the same case number so there's no additional court fees, and then just finalize. Unfortunately, the 6 months would have to start again because of the amended petition, but other than that, we will be able to finalize on the old case, except unless the court then dismisses the case. Sometimes what I found is when we reactivate a very old case like this, that when it first comes to the court's attention, they'll realize it's an old case and they'll dismiss it for the 5-year rule. But many times, I'd say 90% of the chance the courts will not do that, and we're able to finalize on the old case number. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Hope you're having a great day. We'll talk to you soon.